what they describe in Microsoft, and it's related with the Microsoft products. Okay, so why do we want to use this technology in our classroom? That's the first and most important thing. So you can go through this. This is Sway. I prepared a PowerPoint, not PowerPoint. It's not a PowerPoint presentation, okay? It's not a PowerPoint presentation, but it's a presentation which can be in the cloud, online presentation. So educate means to draw one's potential. So how we can draw one's potential? It's a thought-provoking statement. You can think about it. So I just want to show how we can make Sway and enlighten you or give you some points to think about. So together, so you can see how Sway works and also on the content of the Sway. So what I learned from the 2 days conference. So always learn something new. That's what I do. So before going to the conference, I just browsed what are the things in the conference, and I find some of the interesting thing which I was doing for last 1 year. Last 1 year means I was just browsing how the ICT world is growing. All these Google, the Apple and the Microsoft, they're competing between each other. So we get a new product, but it's not for us. So why do we need to use the technology? What is the importance of technology in education, and why should we use it? That was the question that was given to us. So the first point is video games are those which brought the technology into games. It's not like, okay, a product that, okay, Google thinks that or Apple thinks, okay, we will start making one product for education. No. Even PowerPoint presentation was not made for education. No product is there in the market now which is made for education. You can serve. And what we do is that we incorporate what we have. The next is why. It caters a different type of learners. That's what we want. In our class we have different learners and we want to cater each and everyone according to their needs. So that's why we want to incorporate technology. So you may ask, what about the traditional education? Yes, it was doing, but its own way. But when we have the tools in our hands, it's like a sword in the hands of a warrior, or like ingredients in the hands of a chef, right? So if you are a good chef, you can mix it, make good Indian curries, right? A lot of ingredients. So technology is not like, okay, the thought will come. Will I lose my job? No. Teachers' jobs are always safe because you are the creator of the futures, right? Future is in our hands, so we can mold. So these tools are what we have to use, and it's up to you how to use it. So these are the 21st century learning skills that each student should have when they finish their education. It's not, I'm not telling that when they have to finish their education, it's an ongoing process. But once their schooling process is done, what they gain, and the important things are collaboration. So once they are in their job, or whatever business they may be, they have to collaborate. Knowledge construction, self-regulation, then solving the real world problem and innovation, use of ICT, then skill communication. These are some of the things that the students need, just not like the grades. So how we incorporate these things? So when a child is born, like, okay, I have the young daughter, she knows more than me to use the iPhone or the iPad. So why don't we use that thing in education? That's what we want. It's not like that they have to be deprived of the phones or the laptops in the class. They can use it, but in a controlled way. We have to supervise. So that's why always I recommend, okay, phone, iPads, okay, iPad, okay, it's a big screen thing. So they know, they study more when the things are interesting. And when they want to do, okay, so today I went to class, they asked me, can I use the phone? So I told, yes. Wow, they were happy. They were shouting like, oh, like that. So they are more interested into that one. So why don't we take that opportunity and mold them according to what we want? without their knowledge. So this is one of the important thing that I got. This was from the last keynote speaker in that session. It's like teach less, learn more. Yes, it's from Singapore, but you can use that one. So what is teach less, learn more? I'm not going to teach from tomorrow. Students will study. Right? Teach less, learn more. You can Google this. It's from, sorry. Okay, it's from Spencer Kagan. He's the one who wrote this article. You can Google that one. Sorry, it's going back. Okay, so this is Spencer Kagan's thing. Then, so these are the important thing that he was describing about why we teach, what we teach, and how we teach. So, what are the things, what are the content? I'm not going to elaborate that one. So, please be concentrating on the app that I'm using. So, this is how we teach. Engaged learning, differentiated learning, guided facility, modeling, formative and qualitative assessment. So these are some of the new things that even the Singapore is going to adapt, or they are adapting in nowadays. So it's, you can think about it. I'm not going to explain. If you want more details, I can give you. So these are the sources. Okay. Next, what is SWAY?
You have ideas and projects that are interesting, meaningful, powerful. Now there's a new app that helps you easily pull together, format, and showcase them, while still giving you freedom to adjust the design and reflect your own unique style. Introducing Sway, a completely new way to express yourself. Search a wide variety of sources without leaving the app. And simply drag and drop your content directly into Sway. Sway gives you the power to assemble and present your ideas, all just a tap or click away. It lets you create a polished, living, breathing canvas of your ideas on the web, using a variety of multimedia that you bring together with ease. Select a layout and style for your content, or let Sway do it automatically by showing suggested combinations for you to consider and change at any time. Seamlessly integrated with the web, social networks, and your devices, your creation can be shared as effortlessly as sending a link. It will look great on any screen. Sway lets you easily pull together, format, and share your ideas on any device from anywhere. It's an all-in-one, elegant solution that's unlike anything you've used before. Reimagine the way your ideas come to life.
Okay, that's Sway. I will be doing a tutorial on Sway maybe next